If you make traffic so bad that people don't want to drive anymore, it gets people out of their cars.
Minnesotans are seeing a push to move commuters from their cars to mass transit, bike paths, and sidewalks. Hennepin County Commissioner Jeff Johnson says the majority of his fellow commissioners support eliminating driving lanes to add things like bike paths and covered sidewalks.
When you're building bike trails at the direct expense of road lanes in order to get people out of their cars and saying that that's somehow going to relieve congestion, that's absurd. It's not going to work. Hennepin
County commissioners voted to eliminate driving lanes and add bike lanes and turn lanes to relieve congestion in an intersection at 35W and Washington Avenue. Johnson says these changes will make the problem worse. Johnson's colleague, Hennepin County Commissioner Janice Callison, disagrees with Johnson, saying, in short, our county engineers believe that the geometric improvements that are included in the reconstruction will meet the needs of drivers. Johnson says he believes the Washington Avenue project is part of a massive effort to move Minnesotans to biking and mass transit. Last week, Governor Dayton and state legislative leaders left a meeting still in disagreement over funding another mass transit project, the Southwest Light Rail. Minnesota House Speaker Kurt Daudt and Johnson believe that if House Republicans block the funding for the project, the Metropolitan Council will find a way to get taxpayer funding.
But the problem is it's not going to stop the project. It's still going to get funded. The money is just going to come from a different pot of taxpayers. So rather than being spread throughout the state, Metro taxpayers are going to end up paying for it. It might be Hennepin County taxpayers, it might be Metro-wide through the Met Council, I don't know. But they're going to figure out how to pay for it. This is too important for them.
Alpha News reached out to the Met Council for comment and did not receive a response. Governor Dayton says legislative leaders will meet Thursday to continue special session negotiations. Be sure to follow Alpha News on Twitter and Facebook to make sure you don't miss out on breaking special session and transportation coverage. For Alpha News, I'm Julia Aaron.